Good morning. Happy Thursday. Thursday weekly briefing will cover through next Wednesday. So this will cover July 20th through July 26th. We'll get right into it. Just a recap, yesterday we did have a tornado from Nash County into Edgecombe County. It started off as an EF1, increased to an EF3, and it went about 16.5 miles before lifting. This was the first EF3 tornado ever observed in central North Carolina in the month of July. So it's a it was kind of interesting to see an EF3 tornado in July because that never occurred before. So we did have some injuries, but no fatalities. So good to know. Upcoming weather patterns. So we'll have isolated showers and thunderstorms today, especially in the southeast and southwest, and scattered storms possible late this evening through tonight everywhere. A cold front will cross the region late Friday into early Saturday, bringing below average temps for the weekend. So we'll see highs in the mid to upper 80s, which I don't know about you, but I'm excited about. And then afternoon showers and storms will be possible each day from there on out, especially mainly in the sandhills and coastal plain as the front will stall to our south. So as you can see on Monday, we'll have that front stall along the south of us. Early to midweek, a trough will move over the region, and that will bring increased chance of precipitation Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Severe thunderstorm potential for days 1 through 4. We have a slight risk for scattered severe storms possible over South Carolina and then along the North Carolina-South Carolina border. And that will extend up into the mountains, Tennessee Valley, and over into the Ohio Valley. So a few strong to severe storms possible will be expected in our south and west today. After that, as you can see, Friday and Saturday, just general thunderstorms are expected. So a low threat. WPC's excessive rainfall outlook, they do have us in a marginal threat for isolated flash flood possible today. For most of our area, looks like the northeast Piedmont, northern coastal plain is out of the area, but any storms or storm clusters may be slow moving and could produce some heavy rain and localized flooding. Otherwise, Friday and Saturday, no flooding expected. So Dawn is still holding on out there. As you can see in the top right, it is a tropical storm and it has winds of about 50 miles an hour, and it will continue to be a tropical storm through the weekend into early next week, as it will probably become a tropical depression. And then we have a tropical wave located a few hundred miles southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands, and it will interact with a intertropical convergence zone, which will kind of help generate things. And then the combination of these features will produce an elongated area of showers and storms over eastern and central tropical Atlantic. And while dry air in the north may prevent significant organization during the next couple of days, environmental conditions as it moves west could be more conducive for some development. So the formation chance through the next 48 hours is low. However, through the next 7 days is about low, but 20%. So just keep an eye on that, as we will keep an eye on that as well. 8 to 14 day outlook, courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center, for temperatures between July 27th and August 2nd, so late July into early August, we'll see above normal temperatures, which is favored, so about 50 to 60% across the area. And temperatures in this time are around highs in the upper 80s for the Northwest and Greensboro, and low 90s in the Triangle and Sandhills, with lows around 70, 72. For the 8 to 14 day precipitation outlook, we'll see near normal conditions. So just to recap, we'll have some isolated showers and thunderstorms, especially in the southwest. I know there's a typo, sorry about that. And scattered storms possible late evening through tonight. As a cold front will pass through the region tomorrow night into early Saturday, it'll bring below average temps for the weekend with highs in the mid to upper 80s. And then we'll expect some afternoon showers and storms each day, especially along the sandhills and coastal plains as the front will stall to our south. And then early to midweek, trough will move over the region, bringing increased chance of precip for next week. So hazards and impacts, we'll have isolated heavy rainfall possible today with slow moving storms, and then thunderstorms today could cause some damaging winds, especially in the southwest Piedmont. And just a reminder,